Please ignore the fact that I look like a thumb today. Hey. Hello guys, today is Wednesday, so we moved it on Monday, 2 days later. Today is our day off, so I don't think it's the same for Americans, but at least for our program. We move in Monday, Tuesday, we have like immigration and casting and stuff like that. We have today off, and then tomorrow the new people have traditions, and I have to go pick up my blue ID from casting. But today is my day off. All the roommates are actually out of the house right now. 3 of them are with like other Canadians. One of them has a friend that came from town from Georgia, where she's from, and the other one works because we have 2 people that have been here since January together. So they're all gone. I thought I would deal with my room here. It's not that bad, but like it's just boring. So like I'll show you guys the full apartment later because I don't want to like go through everyone's stuff. But when you walk in, that's our front door over there. When you walk in, this is their room and this is our room here. So that's Hannah's side. This is my side there. So I want to hang some stuff, get some stuff set up. I don't know, move some of these cords, get some stuff done. I'm just gonna set some stuff up and try and get my life together. First, we're gonna try and set up Google here. I have Google Home, but I need to set her up. She's probably gonna yell at me when I say her name. I'm attempting to set her up.
You love her.
Disney housing? Yes. Connecting to Wi-Fi. Okay, Google. Okay, Google. Hey, Google. Hey, Google. She knows me.
I love that for you.
You can have my location. I don't care. Have at her. Spotify. Hells frickin' yeah.
Fuck yeah.
That's all I want. Who uses Pandora nowadays? I think she's set up now. Hey, Google. Hello.
Oh, hello there. How can I help?
Play Spotify?
Playing some music on Spotify.
Waiting on the sunshine, blue sky, cheap high, lullaby, the mother side is letting you down.
So now that she's set up, I think I'm gonna take this little whiteboard that I got, and I think I'm gonna hang this here. Because I know that I'm gonna have different shifts every day, and I'm gonna be working with different characters sometimes. So I'm gonna have my regular shifts there. So let's go set that bad boy up. Hello. Wow, we have a whole team. I'm so Welcome. We're at the boardwalk. ignoring everyone in the background. I don't really know what we're doing right now. Why are we here?
I don't know. For ice cream.
Oh yeah, I want ice cream, but if I'm gonna get ice cream. Weren't you here literally yesterday?
And the day 2 days ago. Don't be rude.
But we're gonna get ice cream. I love the Boardwalk so much. Love of my life is over in that corner. Jelly rolls, I miss her very much. This one's not legal, so he can't get in.
I can have Jello.
We can get him a donut, a jelly-filled donut, but he can't get into the bar.
Can you please give me?
I don't know what America. America. But we go get some ice cream and live our best life. It's beautiful right now.
Not working.
I can't even see your head. Me.
I'm just so tall.
You're just so tall and slender.
As I stuff my face with this stuff. Here's my reaction of the Oreo. I've never had an Oreo
Oh my
before.
god. Disney food box?
You never had an Oreo before? Oh, I was like, we literally ate one earlier, I think. In your apartment.
I'm too poor for Universal. Fair. Can't afford it.
How you feel?
So tell me you got that.
This is my new angle. You look good from here. Is it all your pants?
A little bit.
How are you feeling right now?
It's good, so I'm okay.
Are you sure?
I have to do laundry tomorrow anyway, so it's okay. Oh, I can't even do laundry tomorrow.
Can you not keep dropping it?
No, I didn't. There's cream inside.
Oh.
Once you start working, you can get a discount as well.
She's a tasty boy.
She's a tasty boy.
This cream.
Think of a double identification here.
1, 2, 3. Very good. One more time. Same thing. Same thing. One more time. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Whoa. Very good. Okay. Are you ready? Ready. Go. 1. Are we doing slow motion or what? More energy, okay? Ready, go. 1, 2, 3. Good.
Woo! Yay!
I throw it in the water.
So we are back home. It is like 11 o'clock. I'm talking quiet because one of our roommates is home and she worked today, so I don't want to like disrupt her lights on, but I still want to talk loud. But we went to the Boardwalk. That's what all that was. Did I film anything that made sense before it? Absolutely not. I did get a little bit done here that you saw earlier. So I still have like some stuff out here. How cute is this? I'm so excited about these. I start training, but I still have some stuff here, but I hung my flag. If you know, you know. But I love this flag so much. I brought it on my last program. It has some signatures of my boys. I need to get the other two to sign it. If I see them this summer. I have a few of my ears. I didn't bring very many ears this program, if we're being honest. This is my whole collection that I brought. So a little baby collection. What's up? It's me. My bed. I need to make my bed. So this is the blanket that I had last year. It's just like a baby blanket, but then I also bought this Rapunzel and Belle blanket here. And then just like my sheets. I needed a cup for these somewhere. I'm gonna probably get like casket action, get a cheap cup, but I gotta get a cup for those. And then this is like my nighttime skincare there. My contacts are down there, just like makeup wipes, a few little things, glasses, tweezers, and then in the corner there, so the scrunchie, and then that has my housing ID, my key, and then I'll have my Blue ID on it. We're not totally done. I do still have like this little pile of stuff. These are my pajamas, and then like this is more skincare things in here. So we're putting that away, but that's gonna end up back over there. That's kind of my little setup. I put this little one up here. So this is my old name tag. So this is my old name tag. Look how like gross she is compared to my new one. Look how pretty she is. I can't believe that that one used to look like that. But this is what we got when we checked in. Super, super cute. I will be working with different characters sometimes, as far as I know. So I got this little board here to kind of write down who I was with, what day, to make sure I was in the right area and everything. But yeah, that's it. My closet's real boring. I have like one dress I'm not even gonna use, a big shirt, a big comfy hoodie, my jumpsuit that y'all saw me wear for like 2 days, hamper, underwear, chill. These are just some like Canadian snacks I brought. Ketchup chips for my Americans. Lockers, I have like some swimsuits, extra stuff. And then just like extra contacts and my luggage and stuff up there. And my shoes. This is kind of like the final setup that we have here. It looks messy, but it's getting together. That is it. I'm focused. I'm so shiny because it's so humid out. My whole existence is not used to it. But that is it for today. I mostly just like hang out, honestly. I edited my last video that you guys saw to get that up, so that was cool. So I just like edited, got stuff uploaded. It takes forever to upload things in housing here, but like I said, it's fine, nothing I can do about it. So I just hung out, did this, and then went to the boardwalk a little bit later. So I didn't eat anything, I didn't do anything fun, really. The boardwalk, we just hung out. My roommate Jamie took a super cute photo of me, so hit me up on Instagram to go see that photo. Thanks. Tomorrow is casting to do ID distributions. So everyone else, I think I was already saying this, everyone else does true additions tomorrow. I am a recent alumni, so I don't have to do traditions again. So we just go to casting to pick up our blue IDs, and then we have park access and hub access and things like that. I'm gonna see if I can pick up at my old location once I have hub access. So we'll see. But park access will be fun. Me and Jamie will have our IDs way earlier than everyone else. So we'll go get up to something. Friend Liam is working mansion and he is at work tomorrow, so we may go try and track him down or just go hang out in the parks. We don't really know. There is a housing event tomorrow for villains, so we're kind of going in between doing that and seeing Happily Ever After, but we'll see. You'll find out in my next video, so please subscribe. All my links to everything else are always down below if you want to go hit them up. I'm there, and feel free to subscribe. I'm making moves. I do want to do a giveaway at 5K, so when I hit 5K, get ready for some cute Disney stuff, so please subscribe for that, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye.